Welcome back to Thames Water Explained. Today we're looking at a big question. What are we doing right now at Thames to save water and protect future supplies? Because here's the thing, water is not unlimited. The rain we do get goes into rivers, underground and is lost out to sea. That's why there's a national push to save water as our population grows and our climate changes. So what does this mean? It means we all need to save water, and we at Thames need to invest in new ways of supplying it. I'm here with Axel, who's part of our leakage team. And behind me, you can see part of the crew busy working away, fixing a leak as we speak. So Axel, what are Thames Water doing about leaks?
Finding leaks is tricky. So we've got crews going out day and night in any weather, searching for leaks and trying to pinpoint where they are. For the leaks that come up to the surface, often customers report them to us, and that's super important that people will keep doing that. For a lot of the leaks that are underground, we've got to go proactively look for them. Now, we're using a couple new bits of technology to help us do that. One is acoustic loggers. They basically listen out for the telltale sign of leaks, and we can use that to pinpoint location. The other thing we're doing is using satellites. They look for ground movement, they look for moisture in the soil, and they can tell us basically that there's a high risk of a leak being there.
Wow, that's incredible. So we're listening and looking and going for an all-round approach to really get on top of this. What causes a leak?
As our pipes get older, they become more vulnerable. And also as our weather gets more extreme, it puts the pipes under more stress. Higher temperatures will dry out the soil moves, causes stresses on the pipes, and the pipes break. Also in the winter, it gets colder, the pipes contract and pull apart. That causes tension, that causes failure in the network.
So what proactive steps are we taking to prevent leaks in the future?
550 kilometers of our mains are being replaced over this 5-year period. That's going to help reduce bursts, it's going to reduce supply interruptions and reduce the disturbances that happen through traffic.
Sounds fantastic. When it comes to securing our water supply for the future, Thames Water is already taking action. Smart meters are the most effective tool we have for reducing leaks and managing water demand. I'm here today with Andrew, who leads a lot of our water efficiency projects. So, Andrew, why are smart meters so important?
Well, the water meter will record the flow of water into a home or into a business. Our smart meters are doing that 24 times a day, but then sending the information back to us every day so we can act faster. That's helping us and our customers at home or at their place of work, both in how they're using water, but also where they might be losing water.
How do smart meters help us reduce water use and find leaks?
We have pipework underneath the ground. If there's a leak there, you may not see it. Or inside your house, it might be a dripping tap or a leaky loo. It might be a small amount that you may not even see, but over time, every single day, 24/7, 365 days a year, that water adds up. Our smart meters are enabling us to find it faster so we can speak to people and get it fixed quicker.
So Andy, when is everyone going to get a smart meter?
We're actually 11 years into our smart meter rollout. So customers can actually request a meter, but we're also going area by area and putting this out as a huge program. So in the next 5 years, there'll be another 1 million smart meters that go into homes and businesses. It's a really big effort.
We're fixing leaks faster, installing more smart meters and using that data to be more water efficient, upgrading thousands of kilometres of pipework and using cutting-edge technology to protect water sources for the future. It's not just about saving water now, it's about making sure we have enough water for generations to come.